So I keep hearing this from students. They keep saying, Mr. Duffy, I cannot type on Teams. My assignment, I keep trying to type answers, or it's not saving. So I have this solution for you guys that should work. So this video is for people that are consistently having issues with Teams saving, or with Teams not letting them type. Okay, the simplest solution, I'll go over first, and I'll go over my advice. So you're saying, I can't type. Why can't I type? When you guys go to open it, please, please, please make sure that you're hitting edit document. Because if you do this, right, it's not going to work because you're just looking at the document. So hit edit document. There you go. That's the easy thing. Let's say that's still not working for you. What you need to do is on any assignment, you'll look at these three little dots and you'll press that. And then you'll hit, I gotta close this one real quick. Sorry, I didn't properly prepare. This is the second time I recorded this video because the audio didn't work the first time. So you'll click those buttons and you go to open in Word. Open in Word. Don't do Word Online because if you're having internet issues or processor issues, opening Word Online is not going to help anybody. So open in Word. Going to get this window. So OneNote is a Microsoft program. So when it's saying https assignments.onenote.com wants to open this application, open Word, you're going to hit that. I'm actually just going to go ahead and hit always allow. Actually, I'll leave that off just in case. So then you'll be here. And so this is just Word on the desktop. The big difference here is this autosave. Now watch this. If I go blah, 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 right? And I'm going to highlight it in some crazy color, right? Okay, so I've done that. I'm on my desktop right now. I'm on the desktop version of Windows, right? So I'm going to go back. And I'm going to open this now. Now it hasn't loaded yet, but what it will do is it will automatically save. It helps sometimes to make sure you guys hit that just to double check that it's saved. It's going to be constantly trying to save. Like if I had closed the document, it would say not fully saved yet. But now that I've hit that button, I'm going to close this and then I'm going to open it again in Teams. And there's my blah, blah, blah. So it will automatically save, but it might take a little bit. So don't like type two things and then close it a second later. But just as you're working, make sure that autosave is on and that this little button is on as well. And that's how you would download it and type on Teams, but this way you don't have to email me a new copy.